I'm Dr. Alan Widener from Massage Chair Relief, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Osaki DuoMax 4D massage chair your first time in. Now I'm outside the chair and we're going to go in because I want to show you, unlike a lot of the other chairs that have open toes on the footrest, this has a closed toe, so you got to put your feet in there like you're putting your feet in boots or shoes, and then you slide in like this. And now there's two ways you can get going. You can either push this button on the quick keys. There's 4 quick keys on the side. Quick keys are those keys that allow you to operate the chair without having to go into the remote. But we're going to do it with the remote because there's a button on this side, and I'll show this to you. There's a button on the side. You push that button and you'll see that the chair will get started. Now we're in the chair and the chair is reclining, and then I can select what intensity of massage I want. Let's go with gentle, and then we wait for the chair to lie down. You don't need to push pause unless you want to stop the program in the middle of the program, and you don't have to push power unless you want to turn it off. And so now you just let the chair recline to its resting position where it's going to start your program, and we also want to wait for the body scan to be done. And then after the body scan is done, then you can select the program that you like. And that's pretty much it for getting into the chair for the first time. We'll talk about the programs that the chair has in another video because it does have some interesting features like the health massage program. But anyways, we can talk about that another time. But that's how simple it is to get started on the DuoMax from Osaki. Now, when you're done, and remember to always keep your head back during the scan so that the rollers can find out where your head is and your top of your shoulders are, and that way it'll fit you better if you get the scan done right. Sometimes if you got your head up like this and you're looking around while the chair is scanning you, the rollers will only go up to where your shoulders are because they think that that's the end of they figure that's where your skull starts, because that's where the chair can't find your skull with pressure from the rollers. So anyways, that's all you do. And then when you're done, you can either push the power button there or push the power button here on the side, and I'll push that again and we will shut it off, and now the chair is going to reset back to its neutral position, and you just relax and go with it until it's done. And that's pretty much all you need to know for using the DuoMax for the first time. It's a popular chair for us. A lot of people like this chair. It's got some intensity to it. And you can hear more about my opinion on it in my opinion video. But that's pretty much how easy it is to get started on the new Osaki DuoMax 4D massage chair. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please feel free to thumbs up, like us on our YouTube channel, and of course, help us spread the word about massage chairs by sharing this video or any of our videos with your friends and family through your various and sundry social media platforms. I'm Dr. Alan Widener from Massage Chair Relief, and I will see you again on the next video. Bye-bye.